Have you been wondering how to create amazing captions you do see, like the big guys in the video industry use, like Alex Omozi, Vusi Tembekwayo, Gary V, and other big guys you watch their videos on YouTube? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create something like this kind of captions, this kind of covers, and Alex Omozi style of captions. So I believe you've been familiar with your Capcut app, and that's what we are going to be using in the course of these videos. Okay, so let's get started. I believe you know how to add your new project. And how do you do that? You do that by clicking here. Okay, so this is the kind of stuff we are going to be creating. Okay, this kind of animations, this kind of covers, and this kind of what edits. So let's get started. So tap on your new project, then install the video in which you want to work on. Okay, so let's see. So let's say let's work on this video. Let's see. So you tap on it, then you add on it. So if you notice, the aspect ratio or the dimension of the video has changed. The last one we did, the aspect ratio was more of a vertical video, but this time around the aspect ratio changed to be horizontal style of video. So the kind of video you want to edit depends on the aspect ratio. So how do we change the aspect ratio of our video? So once you see, that's when you've not highlighted your particular video clip, you can see this column, or this row that is at the bottom of my screen. So once you can see this particular point that is called ratio, you can see this particular point that is called ratio. So once you tap on it, you can see it has different aspect ratios. Okay, so right now it is fit to screen. That's the original aspect ratio of the video. So if we should click on this 9:16, it will give us this TikTok or IG Reels or Facebook Reels or YouTube Shorts format. Okay, let's say you are editing a short form content for a client. This is the ideal aspect ratio you have to use. But if you are editing a video for an IG post, not an IG Reel, okay, the normal IG post, 1:1 is the best to use. If you are editing a long form video for a Facebook post or a YouTube video, the 16:9 aspect ratio is what is required. Then we have other aspect ratios in which you can use. Okay, so let's say, but for now, or for in the course of this video, we are going to be working with the 16:9 video. So once we tap on it, you can see that our video is already in the aspect ratio. But if we should tap on the 9:16, so once we tap on it, you can see we have blank spaces here. Okay, so in some cases where you cannot zoom in your video to cover up the blank spaces, there's a way you can do it so that some video portion will extend to cover these blank spaces. Okay, so how do we do that? You can click on this canvas icon still below my screen. So once you tap on the canvas icon, you can see blur. Okay, so once you tap on blur, you can see it has blurred that particular black place. So it will still blend. Okay, it will still blend. So if you don't want to blur it, or you want to use a normal solid color, you can tap on the color icon. Okay, so once you tap on it, you can now select the particular color you would want to use. Okay, if you have your own background you would want to add, you can click on the background, then add a particular background you want. But that's that for that. So let's take it back to normal. So let's proceed to how to add our captions. So you see right below my screen, you see the options for text. So once you tap on it, you can see that it brought out other several options. So if you scroll to your right, you can see this is all the options available. So each of these tool or each of these function has a particular effect they give to your video. Okay, so if you click on the add text, this is where you manually type in your text. Okay, in a situation where you are rushed where you are in a hurry, this will not be the best tool to use. Okay, but let's say you want to create a cover for your video. This is where you would have to use what a the add text tool. So the next one is the sticker icon. This sticker icon is one of the most reached tool in Capcut. So once you tap on it, meanwhile you need to have your data connection on. You can see it has different animation. It has different animation that would help make your video look amazing. So let's say you are talking or you want to give a particular effect to a sound someone is saying, you can add this boom effect. You can see, okay. Then if you want to add, there are several stickers. So you just have to be creative on how to use them. So you can see we have sparkles, we have flowers, we have dates, we have so many things here, but that's not our focus in this video. So the next thing we want to do is click on the third one, auto captions. So once you tap on auto captions, you can see CapCut give you so many features in which you can use it. So once you click on start, you can see it's already creating auto captions. So this tool helps you not to stress yourself when it comes to what? When it comes to manually typing your subtitles or captions. And one of the advantages of CapCut of captions it helps retain viewers attention on your video. So if you are a video creator and you are struggling with viewer retention, you need to start embedding captions, not just captions, captions that are engaging and captivating, of which I'm going to be showing you how to create them in the course of this training. So you can see our captions has already been created, so you can see them below. So you can see the captions rather have already been created, but we don't want them to be just this normal stuff. We need to give them what special effects. So how do we do that? And for you to start working on a particular caption, you need to first highlight it. So for you to highlight it, how do you do that? You tap on it, then you can see that it has this white border around it. So once you highlight a particular text, you see that what the tools at the bottom of my screen has changed from the ones that are there before. Then you can see you can also split a caption into two. You can style the caption, you can batch edit it, you can copy it, you can delete it, and you can also turn what text to speech. Then you can, if you want to add a caption that is in two languages, let's say English and in French, you can click on bilingual subtitles. Okay, then it will now add another subtitle. That so you can see a pro icon at the top of this tool. So that's why you need to get the pro version for me if you haven't. Okay, then you can also see basics, animation, effects, and bubble. So each of these tool here has its specific function. So let's proceed in styling our subtitles. So how do we do that? Let's proceed. We click on what style. So once we tap on the style icon, so you can see templates. CapCut has its own templates in which you can use in styling your captions. So we have fonts. CapCut also have varieties of fonts in which you can download. But by the way, you can also install your own font by clicking on this add button here. So once you add on it and you click on this plus button here, it will take you to your phone what memory where you can add your own fonts. But that's not what we are looking at. So let's change the font. Let's see. So we'll be working with SQL. So you can see that it has a blue outline surrounding the font. Then let's proceed to the next tool, which is the styling. So once you click on style, inside the style it also has other amazing tools, amazing functions you can use to help give your subtitle some animation and some other nice stuff. So here in the style, you can change the color of your text. So you can change it from white to black to any other color that you need to or you would love. But here's the deal. When you have a dark background, it is expedient to use a lighter color for your text. Then you can stroke the text. Let's say you want to give the text an outline now. You can tap on stroke. So if you see our white text here has gotten a black outline. If I should tap on another color, you can see that it has changed to red. That's the function of that glow. Then if you want your text to glow, you can tap on the glow icon, then tap on or activate it, so you can see the text is now, you can see the text is now glowing. Okay, you can see the text is now glowing. Then the canvas, so like the other subtitles, you can, I showed you guys earlier in this video, you can achieve that by coming to the canvas, then give it more like a background. Okay, you can see, so in some subtitles you see that has this kind of stuff. This is how they were able to achieve it. They came and gave it what, a canvas. Then you can as well add shadow to your videos. Okay, you can as well add shadow to your subtitles rather. So you can increase the space. If you want it to be left aligned, you can select the left align. If you want it to be right aligned, you can select it. If you want to increase the size, you can increase the scale. If you want to increase the character spacing, so it is advisable you leave it at 0. If you have multiple text and you want to increase the line spaces, you can increase it. So it is advised to leave all these ones at 0. So if you want to bold and italize your font, you can come to the bold and italize it. So the next one is the effects. So we have so many effects in which you can give your text. So inside the effects also, you can see it has what, other amazing functions in which you can play. Capcut is a very rich app if you know how to utilize it. Then we have the animations. If you want to give your text animations, so let me pick one. Let's see. So you can see how the animations changed. Okay, so let me see. Okay, okay, the whole effect we've made, and let's play our videos to see how the whole thing look like. Okay, so let me play the video so that we would see. So in this video, I'm going to share with you something that is one of the most powerful insights that I've personally ever had for just life in general. Okay, so you can see how each of the text are coming in. So in most cases, it's not advisable you use this kind of animations for what, this kind of long text. Okay, so that is how to add subtitles to your videos. So as we continue, I'll be showing you guys how to make more interesting and captivating subtitles when we start talking about short form video editing. So thank you once again, and I still remain your coach, Samuel Azariah, the video doctor, and see you guys in another video.